In this video, I'm going to go over how to replace your old playlist.com widgets here on PhiladelphiaWeddingBands.com with this new embed thing from Spotify, which is a program to listen to music, basically. So what I've done, I've already installed Spotify on my computer, so you'll have to Google Spotify and open it up. I've also went to playlist.com by clicking on this link, and I logged into playlist.com. So I'm here on playlist.com, and I clicked playlists, and then it showed my two playlists that you guys already made, popular dance songs and BBT's playlist. And I'm just using this as a reference so I know what songs you guys had before. So I have my three right here. I'm actually going to go to the other playlist, which was BBT's playlist. So now I'm going to try to make a new playlist with Dancing Queen and You Shook Me All Night Long. Going into Spotify, and your Spotify will have, be blank. So you're going to add a new playlist. We'll call this Classic Wedding Songs. So I have a new playlist. And I'm going to use this search feature to search for You Shook Me All Night Long, which is a track. I'm going to drag that track over to my playlist. I also want to look for Dancing Queen. And I don't want the Glee version. ABBA. I think this is the right one. Yeah, that's the right one. So I'm putting that in Classic Wedding Songs. So here I have my list. Spotify is pretty good. It has most songs, but it doesn't have all songs. So if you really can't find one, there's probably some sort of artist restriction on it, and you'll just have to deal with that and find another one. So I'm going to right-click here on my playlist, and I get a bunch of options, and one of them is called Copy Embed Code. So I'm going to click that, Copy Embed Code. Then I'm going to come back out here to PhiladelphiaWeddingBands.com. So what I'm going to do, I go to my dashboard. So I've already logged into PhiladelphiaWeddingBands.com, and I go to Posts. And then I'm going to find this popular dance songs one. But I don't want to actually, I'm going to leave that one up there so that you guys can still see, get this link to get a playlist. So I'll just add it, pretend like this Hello World is interesting wedding songs. And then you have a little intro text. I'm going to put it in the category of wedding songs. And then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to look for this thing called custom fields. And then I'm going to select custom field as YouTube. And then under value, I'm just going to do paste. So I already copied the embed code by right-clicking on my playlist and doing copy embed code. And then I use this custom field called YouTube to paste that in there. And then that's it. I'll just click update. Come back out to PhiladelphiaWeddingBands.com and refresh. And now my interesting wedding songs, that's the new one I added, is right here. And you'll see it has this little playlist. So if I want to keep adding to this playlist, I come back to Spotify. Let me see what my next one would be Love Shack. So let me look for Love Shack. Make sure it's the right one. That's the edited version, which I guess is good. And dragging into Classic Wedding Songs. Now, it doesn't seem to update right away. Like I just dragged into the playlist, and I'll come back here and refresh. And it doesn't show up, but I've noticed that about after 5 minutes it will actually update. So once you get these playlists embedded on your site, you should be able to add and remove songs just through Spotify, and it'll relay it onto the website. So hopefully that helps you be able to update all of your playlists here. Thanks.